Good morning, friends. Today we're going to draw some pictures together using nature as an inspiration. This weekend I got to go out on lots of walks because the weather was so nice. So I had lots of inspiration from the things I saw on my walk. Let's try to draw some things from nature together. To do this work, you will need a square illustrated word paper, something to protect your table, colored pencils, a writing pencil, and a sharpener in case your pencil breaks. Let's draw a picture together. One of the things that I saw on my walk was a big green bush with some flowers in it. So I'm going to draw a big green bush with a few flowers. This is how I hold my pencil. With 3 fingers, like this. A bush is kind of round, and it's got a bunch of round and then I'm going to draw some flowers. I'm going to draw some purple flowers, and they're just going to be little dots. Now I'm going to color in my bush. Bush. This line is for writing words. Some of us aren't ready to write words yet, but I think that we can write the first letter of this word. Bush. Bush. I'm going to write a B for bush. Bush. Let's try another one. Another thing that I saw on my walk was a lot of insects. There were a lot of bees and butterflies and flies. Another thing that I saw on my walk was a lot of insects. There were bees and butterflies and wasps. So I would like to draw a picture of insects, flying insects. First, I'm going to draw some flies. A fly is round and dark, this little dot, and it has wings. Here are some flies. And I'd like to draw some bees. Bees look the same except for they have stripes, right? And they're a little bit bigger. I'm going to draw a stripe, black stripe, and wings. And now I'm going to color them in yellow. And some butterflies. A butterfly has a long body. And it has double wings on each side. So it has 1, 2, 1, 2. And some long antennas. And we can color the inside of those wings a different color. And the last bug I'm going to draw is a wasp. Wasps are black and yellow, like bees, but they have long bodies, kind of like butterflies. So, and they have long wings too. They're also yellow. Here is my drawing of all of the insects that I saw. I want to write the first sound I hear in the word insect. Insect. Insects. All right, let's do one last one together. Get a new piece of paper. Another thing that I saw on my walk was up in the sky, and it was so bright. Do you know what I'm thinking of? It's the sun. I'm going to draw the sun. The sun is big and round, so let's draw a big circle. And color it in. Be very careful near the edges. That's the big old sun. And I'm going to draw some sun rays coming out. This is my picture of the sun. Sun starts with the sound s, sun. S. So I'm going to write s. S, sun. Now I'm going to clean up. I'm going to put these in my work box. See, I have other work here too. Save it for another day. Alrighty friends, try to think of what you'd like to draw together, and I can't wait to see your work. See you soon.